The Idiya MARYLAND TV unit comes in many colours. This one's the green with the wood grain top and the wood grain interior. It's large enough to fit all size TVs, consoles and sound systems. There is a hydraulic drop-down cupboard with cable access at the back. There are 2 roller drawers that measure 43 wide by 28 deep by 16 centimetres high. It has powder-coated steel legs and an underclearance of 18 centimetres. There is a raised 45-degree angle edge preventing anything from rolling off.